Wow, this is beautiful. Are you kidding? Is that moose or bear? I'm thinking that's bear. It's looking about 12 hours old.
She's calling me, like the rainbow. She's calling me.
We are moving here! We're on an off-terrain road up in the Colorado wilderness. Perfect. Oh, I think this is the one. This is it. We found it. Alright guys, so tonight we're staying in Rainbow Lakes Campground. It's just outside of Boulder. And we found this really cool campground like way up in the mountains. It's like pretty remote. You have to go back this long, windy road to get there. And now we're gonna set up for the night and maybe go on a little hike. There's a bunch of trails up here. And camp and make food and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna set up the tent while Abby is gonna set up the hammock. Yeah, we talked to the nice manager of the little campground, and I was like, oh wow, I'm surprised like no one's really here. I was like, I'm surprised we found a site. And he was like, yeah, today's opening day. He, you know, recommended campsite number 18, so we came up here and we're about to set up the tent in the hammock and relax. She got the goods. Some firewood.
Alright guys, so we got a little upgrade this time around. It might not work.
We'll just see. Oh my god. We didn't think this through. Slide her in.
Welcome to hiking with Sam and Abby.
Today, sunshine.
Today we're at Rainbow Lakes and we're hiking to a lake. It's an 11-mile hike and it's already 7 o'clock.
Section. Nothing crazy, but we're gonna try to go to this little lake. I'm thinking that's bear. It's looking about 12 hours old.
On our way back now. We're gonna go make a fire,
Make our weenies, make our glizzies, and then enjoy a nice night. Alright, update guys, so we just got back from our little evening hike. Now we are making a fire. And look at us on the first try.
you know, pretty handy girl. Don't wanna
Handy gals. Don't want to brag, but
brag, but this is gonna be a nice fire.
love this for us. We're out here grilling. We got our turkey dogs. We got some green beans. Alright, since we're doing luxury camping tonight, we decided to toast the buns with the green beans and the glizzies. Dinner is served. Oh my god, that looks so good. Alright, this definitely one-ups all of our meals from last time. Even though it's just green beans.
Look at that toasted bun. Now we're gonna add some ketchup.
Heinz, no sugar in it. So, you try to be Look at me
be pondering. I'm like,
Deep thought. That's what the fire does to you.
enjoy the fire.
Enjoy the
It's
fire.
getting a little chilly. Might bundle up.
Enjoy the sunset.
Read our books.
Yeah, so see you in the morning for our sunrise hike. So we got like no sleep last night because it was so windy and I thought our tent was gonna blow away. But it didn't. You know, we just both got very minimal sleep and we woke up and it was really cloudy and there wasn't really like a good sunrise to see. I think we're just gonna make breakfast, pack up, and then go to Rocky Mountain National Park.
Well, guys, didn't get much sleep last night. The wind was just crazy.
Feeling a little rough.
It was a little rough. It was no rain. It was really comfortable because it wasn't on the ground. It's just the wind. It really kept us up. And we woke up for the sunrise at 5 a.m. We thought that'd be enough, but the sun was already risen. So we don't know what time the sunrise is here. But I guess we need to look it up because we don't have service. We just guessed. But it's okay because we're just gonna eat and go to Rocky Mountain and snag a campsite. This wind is crazy.